Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Huawei CM510 speaker to your MacBook. First of all, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking. Right now release and put it close to the MacBook. On your Mac, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. So open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then just simply take a look on other devices list. Select your Huawei. As you can see right now we are connected, so the last thing, just go for the sound and be sure that the output sound is switched to our device. Yeah, it is automatically. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.